Hey y'all, and welcome back to our Sweet Treats episode. You know Fredericksburg has always been a hill country favorite with plenty to do and a deep heritage as well. So when we heard there's a location that has been a staple at this small German town since 1969, you know we had to check it out. So buckle up because we're stopping by Das Peach Haus. What started out as the Lone Star Beer distribution facility was shut down during the Prohibition years. Later on, the Weezer family purchased the building, then moved it to the family's land. That's where they sold peaches, and the rest is history.
Since 1969, Mark Weezer started Das Peach Haus with just a peach orchard selling jams and jellies. This is actually his mom's recipe, one of our oldest products.
That's sweet.
And then Case Fisher joined as a high school student picking peaches. And then that's where we get Fisher and Weezer. After college, he joined and they incorporated. And that's where we are today. And this is our storefront. But we're also most probably well known for the roasted raspberry chipotle sauce.
Okay.
This is just over cream cheese, but it's so versatile. You can do pork, you can put it in cake, you can make margaritas. Like, you can do it all with this sauce. Yes, one of my favorites. But along with jellies and jams, we also have accoutrements. We're big with charcuterie boards. You know, that's all the rave right now. Yep, This is some mustard seeds. So this on a meat and cheese board with some of our other mustards and jellies. It's just something different, but it is so fun.
That is fun.
And then of course salsa.
Okay.
This is our salsa a la char, one of our most favorites. Again, it's more smoky, not so spicy. That's why it's one of the more popular.
Yeah, that's kid friendly because like you said, it's not too spicy. It has all the flavors that you want in a salsa. So the ingredients are put together.
Yes, we do try to do local as much as possible, clean ingredients. But then after we taste all of this, I'm gonna go wash it down with some wine. Check out the wine bar.
Absolutely.
Let's do it.
Thank you.
Let's do it.
All of our wines are Texas wines, and all of the ones that are made with grapes are grapes from Texas. Here at Fisher & Weezer, or at the Das Peach Haus, we have 5 of our own.
Okay.
And the one that I'm going to be sharing with you today is our dry Riesling.
Okay.
So a dry Riesling is typically a German wine. This experience with this wine is going to be light and refreshing in the beginning. In the center on your palate, you can have zesty experiences of lime and pear. Okay. And then on the back end, which I love about this, is that you can have a very wonderful mineral taste.
That goes down way too smooth. That's kind of dangerous. Das Peach Haus is also home to the Culinary Adventure Cooking School, where cooking demonstrations are held in a group or private setting and appropriately paired with a glass of wine. So what are we going to be cooking today?
We're doing creme brulee. So step 1, we're going to do 2 cups of heavy cream, and then we're going to add the vanilla. Simmer, we don't want it to boil over. While we wait for that to happen, we're going to come over and we're going to mix our egg yolks.
All right.
And just use your whisk and make them smooth and creamy. Okay, so we have it nice and smooth. Everything's incorporated. We're going to ladle it into the bowls. We put them in the oven for an hour at 300 degrees. Okay, so now it's cooled off. Now we can start bruleeing it. There you go. Cheers.
Cheers.
All right.
For more information on the products we sampled today, just visit the link below.